I've got a question. How come on Mother's Day we try to come up with just the right thing to make for Mom so she doesn't have to cook, or we take her out? But on Father's Day, Dad's often the one doing the cooking. So here's a recipe to try out this weekend, no matter who's wearing the Kiss the Cook apron. They're beef ribs, which are big in size and huge when it comes to flavor. We begin by combining some ground cumin, dried oregano, and crushed thyme, along with a bit of chili powder, garlic powder, and some salt. After this gets mixed, we rub it over some beef ribs. And if you're not familiar with them, they're cut from above the prime rib, so they're really flavorful. After roasting them uncovered for about an hour, we'll slather them with some barbecue sauce, and back into the oven they go until they're super tender. The results are ribs that are so big, so tender, and so flavorful, you won't be able to stop eating them. Just make sure you have plenty of napkins. To get this recipe in time for Father's Day, all you have to do is visit our website and type in Dinosaur Ribs. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a monstrously big way for Dad to say, "Ooh, it's so good."